Good day everyone, for you here. In this video, we'll be talking about this 12 series 100 ringgit notes. But before we take a closer look at the notes, let's take a look at what the book can tell us. Now, this design is under the 12 series. It came out at 2012, and the banknotes governor signature is Tan Sri Dato Sri Dr. Zeti Akhtar Aziz, who was retired just a few years back. Now, the size of the notes is 150 mm times 69 mm. The first prefix is AA, general prefix, and there's 4 replacements that's confirmed: the ZA, ZB, ZC, and ZD. I'll leave it like this for you in case you want to write down, copy any detail. But do take note that the price is just a guidance, it does not reflect the current market price. I'll leave it like this for 10 seconds. Alright, do take note that when this video is done, this thing is when I'm doing this video, these notes, I mean now it's 2018, so it is still considered new, so it doesn't have much value. It does not increase, so I mean you have to think logically lah, you know. Right, now let's take a closer look at how the notes look like. This is how the overall banknotes look like. Alright, I hope this is, if you like what I do, don't forget to give me a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, or if you are watching it from Steamit, do give me an upvote and help me with Steamit, and have a nice day everyone. Goodbye.